Okay, same battery pack. 12S, 1P, BMS. Goes into the Antispark. Comes up over here. It goes to the VESC. And then it splits into this VESC. And then when I turn it on, see, it does not turn on. It just does not stay on. Let's talk about batteries. Batteries. 1865. I mean, 1860, 50s, 21700s. Batteries. Not for everyone. Okay. So, I've been doing a bunch of tests, and something what I'm doing does not make sense. But in logic, I'm double checking and checking and checking. So anyways, this is my 1865 battery. Yeah, it looks a little bit off, but don't worry how it looks. It's not how. The main thing, it fits in my enclosure. But when I get my meter, and battery never lies, never ever freaking lies. So here's my meter, here's my battery. I'm gonna try to do this without killing myself again. So if this was dead, this would be 36 volts. Alright, so it's in, and it says 50.1. It's in, so that means it's 50 volts. It's live, right? But when I hook it up to any VESC, it turns on, turns off. So it can't be my VESC, because when I turn on my VESC on this one, this is what it does. It's basically this. And this is the Antispark switch. Doesn't want to hit that 31 volts when it's plugged into the VESC. Now, this battery is only rated for 35 amps. This VESC is rated for 200 amps. But I have a smart Antispark, so I'm going to hit with switch number 2. So my switch number 2 is spin the wheel. Oops. So it turns on like that, just by spinning the wheels. But when I do it with this one, it just flashes on, flashes off. Yeah, so let me pause and show you guys. I hate doing this. Here's the magic. So continuing with this video. So now the battery is plugged into the Antispark, and then it goes into my lead that splits off to the VESC. It goes into another VESC. And they have these white and black wires. No, yeah, that are plugged in together. That's gonna act as one VESC, or as one unit. So all the terminals are plugged in for one wheel, for the other wheel, VESC, canvas, blah blah, power switch. Nothing blew up. But if you look at my thing, my button's not powering up. So now my battery, these VESC can go up to 150 amps burst. These are 120 amps. Okay, so we can go test 2. I'm gonna leave that alone. So I have a smart one connected to this too. So on this anti-switch, there's a blue wire that goes to right here, and it's plugged into this motor right here. So when I spin it, it should turn on. Turns on, turns off. Turns on, turns off. So now my batteries, bro. You guys just seen it was 50 volts. So, and hey, whew, it's a headache. Yeah, so if you have any more questions or anything about that, my cells are brand new. Measurements are all good. I use plain nickel strips. Yeah.